guys, welcome back to week 12 and the final week of our Hug Your Home challenge. I'm super excited about this week because it's the final week, but it's also the funnest week because we are updating one space in your home. We're going to make you love this space. I want you to choose a space and I'm going to walk you through step by step how I update, how I decorate and design, like the steps I follow. The first thing I want you to do is obviously choose a space in your home and ask yourself, how do I want this to feel? So when I'm redoing a room or updating a space, I never ask myself like, what furniture do I want or what do I want it to look like? I always start with how do I want it to feel? For my bedroom, I wanted it to feel relaxing and like an oasis. For my kitchen, I wanted it to feel updated, more modern. We recently did a small update in Izzy's room that was basically free, and I asked her, how do you want this to feel? And she said, like quiet and simple. So that's what we went with. We start with how does it feel, and then we go from there. Next, I want you to look for inspiration in artwork or accessories or fabric. So many spaces, I've actually gone to the fabric store and like, okay, I have a brown couch or I have, blue walls. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to spend a lot of money. Let's look for fabric that inspires me. Let's look for something or maybe a piece of art that ties the colors together, that gives me the feel I'm looking for, but that is the inspiration for the room. I love finding fabric and making easy no-sew DIY pillows or curtains or finding an inexpensive piece of artwork that I love. It's a great way to like hug your home, to tie all your colors together and update a space on a small budget. Next, I want you to pick one or two accent colors from your space or from your room. If you have like beige for days or everything's gray, I really want to encourage you to add a touch of color to your space. And maybe that color can be found in the artwork or in the fabric or in something that you already own. Adding an accent color can instantly update your space, whether it's a couple of throw pillows or just a few little accent pieces. I've recently added pink to my living room by painting a few pieces of dollar store like Easter stuff, and it's a small thing, but it really had a big impact on the overall feel and look of the space. So decide on that pop of color and add it to your room right now. My next tip is to add symmetry to your room. This is like decorating 101 if you have no idea what you're doing like me. You want to make sure you're balancing your room. If you have a picture frame, you want to have another picture frame. If you have a sofa, you want to have a lamp on one side that's the same height as the lamp on the other side. Two tables, or if your bed is in the middle, you want two end tables with lamps on either side. You really want to give the illusion that the room is put together, and symmetry is the way to do this. So before you hang pictures on the wall or rearrange your furniture, I really want you to think about how can I make this space symmetrical. Last but not least, I want you to do a DIY project. There is nothing that's going to make you love your home more than a little sweat equity, whether it is painting something from the dollar store or making DIY pillows or refinishing a piece of furniture. Rolling up your sleeves and doing a DIY will make you really appreciate that thing that you've DIY'd so much more. You're gonna love your home because you've put your hard work and effort into it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Hug Your Home challenge, and remember, sometimes when we have like house envy or we want to move or we wish we had something other than what we have, the best way to just fall in love with our home all over again is just giving it a little love, whether that's a good declutter, a clean, or updating a space with a little bit of DIY decor. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to hug your home this week. So thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Today is actually the day that I'm having my weight loss surgery.
So while I'm editing this video, I realized I have to re-record the ending. So I apologize for the quality of this. It's very late. It's 10 o'clock at night, and this is tomorrow's video. I'm a procrastinator, but I canceled the surgery. As a lot of you know, I made a video about it that I had to download because I said some things I wasn't allowed to say, but it was the hardest decision I've ever made. I've waited and worked for 18 months to have this surgery, countless medical tests, interviews, education classes, met with nutritionists and doctors and nurses and personal trainers. And it was a really lengthy process to get the approval. I met with my surgeon and anesthesiologist. We had the OR booked, and it was supposed to be today. And on Friday afternoon, late afternoon, I was given the news that a job opportunity, a dream come true, once in a lifetime, incredible opportunity was happening. And it's happening like right now. Like I'm working on it right now, and it starts in 2 weeks. Like the moving and the lifting and all the work that I have to do, and I couldn't possibly have had surgery and recovered and been able to give it 100%. Let alone if there was any complications, I could have missed out on this once in a lifetime opportunity. So as hard as it was, I chose to cancel the surgery, which I've now found out that I could just postpone. The thing that I learned was how important weight loss really was to me. I mean, it should have been a no-brainer, right? This incredible opportunity. I can't share it with you, but I'm sorry about that. But I almost didn't take it because I'm at a point where I'm that desperate for weight loss that I almost gave up on something that is something that I never thought would ever happen for me in a million years. And that was eye-opening for me. I realized just how important the weight loss is. And obviously having surgery and cutting up your guts, it was important, but I guess it really didn't dawn on me just how desperate and how ready I am for a change in my life. So I've postponed the surgery. I'm doing this amazing, incredible thing. Like I'm working on it right now as we speak. And, in the next couple of weeks, it's a thing, and so blessed. And I know the surgery is there for me if I want it when I'm done, but I also have been I know it's only been a few days, but real changes to my life to lead a healthier lifestyle with that small recognition of just how important it really is to me. And I don't know why. I mean, sometimes it takes the craziest things for me to see what's right in front of me. But it's been an amazing week. It's been a scary, horrible week, but I've really had a happy ending. So I'm so grateful to you guys for all of your love and support. It's just, and you've been messaging me, and just, I feel I'm so, so blessed. I wish I could share more, but you'll definitely you'll all know soon. So thank you. Thank you, a million thank yous, and I'll keep you guys posted.